All right, boys and girls, we made it. Day 20 of April Daily Math. Way to go and keep working hard the entire time. Y'all did great. So let's finish strong here and finish day number 20. All right. Number 1. 3/3 equals blank. Now remember, sometimes you can also think of this line as this. What symbol's that right there? Do you know what symbol that is? Let me see. Zoom in just a pinch here. Oh, there we go. So what do we got? That's the division symbol, right? Divided by. So it's like this number is that dot, there's the line, and there's the dot is that number. So 3 divided by 3 equals 1. Yep, that's it. That was all it was. So now let's look at the other part. 4 over 4 equals, what do you think that is? Yep, that's also 1. Okay. Yeah. Pretty cool, huh? All right, let's keep moving. Number 2. 3 over 1 equals what? Well, let's go back to this again. Divided by, right? 3 divided by 1 equals, yep, you got it. So knowing that, you probably already got this one in the bag, don't you? Huh? 4 divided by 1 equals, that's right. There are other answers for these two problems. Okay, 3 divided by 3, that equals, you could do 4 over 4, 5 over 5, 6 over 6, as long as it equals 1. Same thing here, 3 over 1 equals 3. You could also do that in different ways. But it would get, now you're kind of getting into like a mixed fraction kind of thing. So we're just going to stick with this for now, okay? All right, let's keep going. Number 3. Bella's cup contains 522 milliliters of soda. Rachel's cup has 376 milliliters. How much more? Oh, that sounds like a comparing problem. Probably going to be subtraction. How much more soda does Bella have than Rachel? Well, Bella does have more. How much more? That's what we got to figure out. So Bella has 522 milliliters. Rachel has 376 milliliters. So we got to find the difference between this number and this number, right? So we were right. It is a subtraction problem. There's more on the floor. We got to borrow from next door. 12 minus 6 is 6. Very good. There's more on the floor. Borrow from next door. 11 minus 7 is 4. 4 minus 3 is 1. So it's 146 milliliters. Okay, number 4. We have this book is 64 pages. Book 2 is 72 pages. So what's the difference between 64 and 72? 8. So it went up 8. And book 3 is 80 pages. Is that a plus 8 there as well? It is. Book 4, because it's asking us if this pattern continues, how many pages will be in the 5th book? So plus 8 is 88, but that's not our answer. That's only book 4, right? Book 1, book 2, book 3, book 4. We need book 5. So 88 plus 8 is 90. So how many pages will be in the fifth book? 96 pages. And number 5, draw a trapezoid. Boop. Right there. There's a trapezoid. Now this is just one example. There are other examples of trapezoids that we could use. Okay, here's the end. There's one. Okay, there's a trapezoid. Got her? But I'm going to do a different kind of trapezoid that we've been learning about in chapter 18. And this trapezoid goes like this. Okay? A trapezoid, if you remember, has one set of parallel sides. It can go like this, okay? But it can also go like that. Is a trapezoid a quadrilateral? Why or why not? Okay, so I already popped up what is a quadrilateral. I looked that up, okay? And it says that it's a four-sided figure. It's a noun, quadrilateral. It's a noun, 4 straight sides. And then I clicked on what is the best definition of quadrilateral. It says a quadrilateral is a 4-sided polygon, like a square, rectangle, or rhombus. The computer screen you are looking at right now is probably in the shape of a quadrilateral. Quadrilaterals are also called quadrangles and tetragods. When you see the word quadrilateral, think 4 sides. Okay, are there 4 sides here? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, there we go. So back to our question. Is a trapezoid a quadrilateral? Yes, it has. It's a closed figure and has 4 sides. All right, boys and girls, thank you. Way to go. Awesome job with your April Daily Math.